Claire from Diamond Painting Nerd, and welcome to a little haul video. So I have been doing some damage yet again on Temu, and I thought I would just collate everything together because it's come in a few separate parcels, so I thought I would just bring everything together and show you the bits that I've picked up. There's a couple of diamond paintings in here and a few other bits that are diamond painting related. So let's move all this out of the way and I'll show you what I've got. So first of all, I picked up, I'm obsessed with picking these up. These are the blank canvases, and these are all 30 by 40s, but they're not 30 by 40 because that's the canvas size and not the actual diamond painting area. So I'm just going to show you one of these because they're all the same. Now the packaging's caught underneath the in the glue by the looks of things. Well, that's slightly annoying because that's also on here. Okay, so, and that's actually pulling up the adhesive. Now these are double-sided tape as opposed to poured glue. You can get poured glue ones. I have both. I didn't know on these ones whether they were going to be double-sided tape or poured glue. So let's get one of these open and take a look. I will open all of these out anyway because I want them to lay nice and flat, ready for when I use them. So let's just pull that tape off. I don't know how long that's been stored because that tape's yellow. So let's roll this one out. Now I know that people say don't roll double-sided tape canvases. I have done, and I've had no issue at all. Even with drills on, I've had no issue, so I've not been worried about it. So yeah, these are 30 by 40, and I think these are all square. Square, and that one's square. Yeah, so these are all designed for square drills. And yeah, we've got the double-sided cover paper on there already. And just pull this back. Oh, I just did a shocking job. Just that. Okay, so the cover paper is definitely wanting to rip as I'm pulling it back, so I just need to be mindful of that and very, very careful. So the stick on that is perfect. You have got that stick, the bleed area on the stick, but that can always be cut off or covered up with washi tape. So I picked up 4 of these and they were so inexpensive. So I'm going to get all of these after the video. I'll get all of these laid out so you can see how nice and flat that's now laying, despite the fact that it came rolled up on the foam roll. And these can be reused when you're storing the paintings as well. So you can keep these to one side to use in the future. So I got 4 of these. Next up, I picked up some washi tape as well. So these are all autumnal ones. And I got these ready for around the canvases of my autumn stroke Halloween ones. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we've got some pumpkins. And there's quite a decent amount on these rolls as well. So we've got pumpkins and we've got toadstools and we've got there's leaves and a squirrel, a little pumpkin pie on that one, some more leaves on that one, more pumpkins, and it says autumn vibes. And then some more leafy one. And we have some sunflowers and some trees and more toadstools, like a woodland one, like a brown one, and then a green with these florals as well. So again, so inexpensive. So I grabbed those for my autumn makes. And I'm really sorry if you can hear me breathing. I do feel like I've got I think I've got a cold. Well, I know that I've got a cold. It's kind of hit the last day or two, so I'm really sorry if it's bothering you. But I wanted to get this video filmed anyway. So next up, I picked up this glue. So I wanted to pick up some stronger glue for using on projects, so I can use my spares. And this is the B7000 glue. So I will let you know in a future video how good this is. So I picked that up. Just pop that back in the bag. Then I also grabbed this, which is a really cute pin that says Stay Spooky. And what I do is I wanted to turn this into a cover minder. It is a little small, but that's okay, as long as the magnets are strong enough. So this little back one that says Stay Spooky. So I will cut the pin off of the back, and then I will glue a magnet onto the back to create a cover minder. So I got that. Then I picked up these. So I'm always using my scissors from my scrapbooking box. And I thought I just want a pair of scissors to be able to keep with my diamond painting. So I picked up these. And so they are, I can't remember how, oh, you need to take the little thing off. So they're really compact. They're really great size, and they are nice and sharp. So I will show you on a piece of, this is just a plain piece of cardstock, that actually it cuts perfectly well. So yeah, I'm going to just pop those in my stash. They're going to be great for opening packs of drills, and yeah, just a really nice size. And I'll know that these ones are exclusive for my diamond painting, so I picked up a pair of those. Then I picked up oh, I picked up some magnets as well. So for those cover minders, these are probably going to be too big for the that back one, but I've got some smaller ones. But I needed some bigger magnets for some other cover minders. So I showed this in, or it will be coming in a video, this, which is a polymer clay little mermaid. It just needs a magnet on the back. So I bought these larger magnets so I can then turn that into a cover minder. So I got some magnets. Then I also picked up this. So I have been working on the Paint Gem mini kits. I've been doing the doggy edition, and I wanted a way to be able to display them or store them afterwards. And I saw this little mini book. So they'll need trimming down, the canvas will need trimming down, and that's fine because there's a lot of canvas and a very small image in the middle. But I thought the spine on this was quite wide, so I'm hoping that will take all of my Paint Gem minis, especially from one set. There seems to be a lot of page protectors in here, so probably what I'll have to do is cut some of these out to allow that extra room for them to all go in. Yeah, so I'll let you know how I get on with this when I come to put my Paint Gems away. It might take more than one set actually. We'll just have to see, but I got that. And then the last few things were all diamond paintings. So I picked up this. Now, I've never done one this size before, but I got it as an experiment. I remember the cost of this one was like 80p. So it was less than £1, less than $1. And I just wanted to get it for science purposes. So it's this ditty little 20 by 20 little one. So this isn't going to take me long just to peel this back. So it's like this floral wreath. And I'm not sure how well this is going to come out, if I'm absolutely honest with you. It is so small, but I wanted to test it out for science. So there are 15 colours in this, which surprises me for such a small painting. It is round drill, so you can see the drills here. I'm not going to get those out. So it's round drill, but some really pretty colours in there, pinks, purples and blues. And then it also comes with a toolkit as well. So I got that as my first diamond painting. And then I picked up, I don't remember what these two are, so it's going to be a surprise to me when I open them. Let's try and not pull the cover off. There we go. Okay, so this one is a 30 by 40. Let's just give that a little bit of a roll back. This will settle flat. It just needs a little bit of training. It's been cooped up. Press that cover paper back down, that cover sheet back down, just to help it relax a little. Okay, and then we have this one here. So we have a couple of Christmas gonks, and there are 24 colours in this one. And yeah, it's lovely and sticky. I haven't had any issue with Temu paintings yet. So then I've got the drills here. These are round drills, and I'm not going to get the drills out, but they are nice colours, and there doesn't seem to be any trash or anything in there. They look nice and clean. So yeah, I'm happy with that. Just another one to add to my Christmas stash. These are never going to be 30 by 40. These are always, that's just the size of the actual canvas. It'll be about 25 by 35. So I'm really sorry you can hear the dog in the background. Hubby's home, and so now she's up and dondering around. But I'll show you this last one, because this is the last thing that I got from my Temu haul. And this one is a Halloween one. And I'm not buying any more Halloween ones because there's only so many hours that I'm going to have available to get the Halloween ones done. They may end up kind of going into next year's Halloween project stash, but we'll see how I get on. So I got this one. I just thought it was really cute, really fun with those gonks again. It says Boo. And there are 23 colours, which surprises me again because there's a lot of black in the background. Yeah, 310. So yeah, just 3 gonks with their pumpkins down the bottom here. And let's just test. Yeah, again, sticks absolutely fine. That cover paper is really thin and almost not wanting to stick to the painting, so that's not a bad thing. And then standard toolkit in here again. Did you get a toolkit in that last one? Yeah, you did. And then, yeah, the drills look to be similar to that last one. They are round drills again, just standard acrylic drills. They've got some nice facets on, actually. I can see those are cut really well. I can't see any trash. I don't see any, there's no dust in them. They look pretty good quality, to be fair, so really happy with that. So yeah, just a quick one for my Temu haul, a few diamond paintings, a project for science to test the small one out because I want to see how that one comes out. And what else did I get? Oh yeah, and the washies, loads of washies. Check out washies on there if you're in the market for them. They've got tons of different ones on there, and you can pick up a multi-pack like this for a couple of pounds. Some scissors, a book to hold my Paint Gem minis in when they're completed. Then I've got some magnets and a pin for the cover minder, some glue, and what else did I get? Oh yeah, and the blank canvases. So thanks very much for joining me for today's little haul video, and don't forget to do all the things, like the video, comment down below, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next video.